Rec Room has officially shut down on June 1, 2026. All official servers went offline, meaning players can no longer log in, access rooms, or use online features on iPhone, Android, VR sets, or many more. Well, can you still play Rec Room on iPhone? Unfortunately, no. Since Rec Room servers has been permanently shut down, the original game no longer works on iPhone or any other devices. Even if you still have the application installed, it cannot connect to the official servers anymore. Well, if you are looking for the closest Rec Room experience, here are some alternatives the community is using. First is Radium, a fan-made project based on the classic 2021 version of Rec Room. Many former players have moved there because it recreates the old Rec Room atmosphere, quest, events, and social features. In order for you to play the Radium, first thing first you need to move into Discord. And then, in the join section you have to enter this link. Simply tap on join with invite link. Once you have joined the Radium community Discord, follow their registrations account linking instructions. Download or install the compatible Rec Room client version they provide. Log in with your Radium account credentials. Connect to the Radium servers and play, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.